Your truck, trailer, or loader is more than equipment, it's the heartbeat of your business. But without regular maintenance, that heartbeat can stop, costing you time, money, and customers. Routine servicing extends equipment lifespan, reduces unexpected downtime, and keeps fuel efficiency high. From trucks and trailers to yellow plant, every machine performs better and longer when cared for. Effective maintenance includes daily checks, scheduled servicing, and specialist inspections, especially in tough environments like mining, construction, and agriculture. At PR Group, every truck, trailer, and piece of equipment is inspected before sale, with honest service records and expert guidance to keep you moving. Take care of your equipment, and it will take care of your business. Talk to PR Group today.